today I want to just sharing this experience, how I work on that hip. And I see a lot of people doing this little bit crazy stuff. What they're doing, they first of all, they bring this leg and they start doing that. They start dump this way. This is a little bit crazy because if someone have a SI joint pain or they put the legs up here, you know, they start lift it up. This is no need to be raised more than 15 degrees because this is the extension of that hip. And so also put too much pressure on that lumbar disc. So the lumbar disc area, no need to do that. Very gently, but I show you how to do that. So you lock it in. You have to lock that in. You put this right on that SI joint, the side you've been doing that. So ilium and the sacrum, this SI joint, and you rotate your arm towards you. So you see the palm is come towards you, the fingers come to me. Why? Because it's easy. You'll see my shoulder, my arms is straight. This one, I just grab under my armpit, and that's it. And you can do that. But look, only 50 degrees. You can take to the first barrier, ask your client to push down, let it go. You do a little bit more. No need to dump that pelvis down, that ilium. It's good. That's it. That's exactly. But that's even this one is too much work. Like I said, I don't know how you guys doing that because it's too much pressure on your shoulder. You see, I'm using only my body to flip from one side to another. But the best way, I'll go ahead and lay down on your side.
This side up?
The face towards that way. Here we go. So what I'm doing here, this is the best one. You come up here, grab that leg, and you place that right on your ilium. I think this ilium area has been specifically designed for that movements. You grab that knee, same thing, that SI joint. Yeah, maybe you're right. Flip on that side, so I'll show him when I grab that arm. But that's fine. So here we go. Boom. You can do front, you can do back, whatever. Now it's common SI joint. This arm is up here, and all I do, look, I'm just step. You see that lunge, like that, like a yoga pose, like that warrior. Oh, and I'm standing up here. I can stand all day long. And I open this up. I pull that hip. Yeah, very great for that lower cross syndrome. Now I ask my client to push against me. Push, like he tried to kick me. What I'm doing here, activate all those front line. Yes, let it go. And go a little bit more. Do I go crazy? No. You can also mobilize that. Look at that. You can move. I move my butt. Look at that. I'm like a dancing. And again, step forward, step back. This is the easiest way. Do not dump that ilium down. Just lock it in, put that pressure, and you will feel that nice, good resistance in the front. All right. Thanks for watching, and you guys stay healthy. Bye-bye.